Has your belly button gone from an innie to an outie, and you've been scratching your head wondering why this has happened? Well, this change in your belly button could be due to a condition called diastasis recti. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the Tupler Technique, and for over 20 years I've been treating this condition called diastasis recti. Diastasis recti is a separation of your outermost abdominal muscles. When the muscles separate, the connective tissue joining the muscles stretches sideways. As it stretches sideways, it becomes thinner, and now your belly button has lost its support and moves forward. The purpose of the Tupler technique is to close your separated muscles and heal your connective tissue, or strengthen your connective tissue. When you strengthen the connective tissue, your belly button will then go from an outie to an innie.